Today we will learn how to operate a single buzzer by multiple touch sensors. We need to 3 touch sensor, 1 buzzer, 3 diode, 1 N4007, and 3.7 volts battery. Attach touch sensor module on breadboard as vertical lines according to me. Connect all the GND pins of the touch sensor together with the help of jumper wire. Connect all the VCC pins of the touch sensor together with the help of jumper wire. Connect the positive and negative pins of the buzzer to the breadboard in horizontal and negative pins in vertical lines as per mine. We try to give all the signal pins of the touch sensor to the positive of the buzzer to check whether it is working or not. Connect ground pin of touch sensor to buzzer ground pin. Now it's time to check our circuit. Let's connect the positive and negative pins of the touch sensor to the battery. As per my subscriber request, touch sensor is not working one by one because second touch sensor is cancelling the signal of first touch sensor. I have a solution to this problem. Plug the anode pin of the diode to the signal pin of the touch sensor. And plug the cathode pin of the diode to the positive pin of the buzzer. It's time to connect our battery to check our circuit. As you can see, the touch sensor is working one by one because the diode has cancelled the unwanted signal of the touch sensor.
Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for new updates.